Did you open that door? If so, can you close it? I heard more noises inside again. Those are definitely coming from inside. Prove that you're here, because we know nobody's in there. The offices are closed today. Prove that you're here and close that door. We're at the Cooper County Jail and Hanging Barn in Boonville, Missouri, which is supposed to be incredibly haunted. We tried to get a tour today, but it's Easter weekend and they couldn't find anybody. But since we were in the area, we thought we'd stop by. It's supposed to be haunted by prisoners. One in particular bangs on cells. I see shadow people. And the last man to be hanged here, because the hanging barn is here too, was Lawrence Mabry, M-A-B-R-Y, Mabry. He's a 17-year-old boy. He was handicapped. I guess this is where the jail cells were. Now it's the Friends of Boonville Historic Society. Yep, those are barred windows. I'm gonna come back at some point though, because it's supposed to be really cool. But since I was here, I thought I'd stop by and we check it out. Oh wow, is there anybody here? This is awesome. Are you here, Mr. Mabry? You can talk into this camera. Look out these windows. Yeah, I guess that's the barn where Mr. B. Mabry was hung. One side of the building is supposedly the sheriff's office, which is the office for the Friends of Boonville. And the other side here is the jail. Mr. Mabry, I heard you were the last man to be hung in the state of Missouri. I believe it was for a robbery and a murder. Is this where they hung you? In this barn? Can you talk to me? Can you talk on this camera? Is this where they walked you down to? I heard you were innocent. It's a window. Can you come to this window? Can I see you? Can you wave? This is an awesome little town. It's so historic. If you get to the middle of Missouri, check it out. There's Michelle. Is the prisoner here who bangs on the cell? Who's here? Can you tell me your name? Was it rough here? Can you open the door for me? Oh man, it looks awesome inside. Old staircase. Can you come to the window? I'm here, I got bond money. Can somebody open up the door? I need to get a prisoner out. Can you make those lights go off on that orange machine? Here, I'll step back. Is there anybody here? Touch my orange machine. Increase. We'd like to talk to you if you're here. I heard you show your shadow. Can you show your shadow to us? Can you tell us your name? I just heard a weird noise. Upper. Was that you who made that noise? Oh, I hear it over here now. Are you walking around in the building on the upper floor? That's what it sounds like. It sounds like somebody's walking around.
That's what it does. It does sound like.
Yeah, I know. I heard it. It was definitely from this building. Unless the neighbor's doing something. I'm going to go check. See if there's any... Oh, there's a fence here, but I can still kind of see. But it sounded like it was coming from the building. Nope, there's nobody over here. Was that you? That was cool if it was you. Oh, maybe not. I hear something over here now. But that sounded like it was coming from inside the building, from upstairs. And it said upper on the perilous. Are you upstairs? Oh God, that was definitely this building. Did you hear that? That was definitely this building. I heard you. Can you come to the window? Although there is stuff here, but I definitely heard like on this porch part. Hope the camera caught it. Can you wave? Oh, I bet this place is so haunted. Thank you. Can you do that again while I'm watching to make sure it was this building? Can you make that noise again? Yeah, because I hear there's stuff going on down there. But that totally sounded over here, all those noises. Do you need to be released? Is Frank James here? I heard he was arrested and held here. And then released because the governor pardoned him. Are you talking to me? I need to go check this out. I don't know, I'll have to listen to the camera, but it certainly sounded like all those noises weren't coming from down there. They were coming from here.
Right. There's a difference.
Sound travels weird, but that totally sounded here. The perilous is kind of going crazy. Phone. Match? Do you want us to break you out of jail? Can you knock on something? One of these doors? Are these windows? Can Can you do that? And then I'll know it's you. Knock on the door. Did you open that door? If so, can you close it? I heard more noises inside again. Those are definitely coming from inside. Prove that you're here, because we know nobody's in there. The offices are closed today. Prove that you're here and close that door. Can you do that for me? Close the door. Do you want me to bail you out? Take you home? Take you to your home. Gotta clarify that. Because I asked him to open the door.
Right.
Can you open the main door for us so then we can come in? Or can't? Oh, do you hear that? It was really loud.
I heard that.
There's got to be somebody in there. Can you close that door for me, please? Can you show your shadow? Can you walk up to this window? And I can see you? Did they bring you through this door? Did you leave? Are you up them steps? Oh, this one's over there. Can I see you? Can you walk down those stairs? Are there jail cells up there? Well, thank you for talking to me. Sorry if you're still in jail. You know you can leave if you want, though. You no longer have to stay here. We wish you peace.